Alright guys, here's what I bought myself on Black Friday from the scooter swap shop. It's an LED conversion kit for my Honda Navi. Let's get it installed. Here's what the LED conversion kit looks like. And again, I want to give props to Scooter Swap Shop for getting this out. It's only been 3 days and this has already arrived at my house. So thanks guys. So the LED conversion kit is for both the front and tail light. So what we're gonna do first and foremost is pop up the seat. And the seat comes off. Next, we will remove the right side fairing. So let's go ahead and do that. So in order to remove the right panel, I had to take out the box because there are screws underneath there that are pretty tough to get to when the box is just right there. So they were, I believe, 210s, and I think the bolt to remove up here was a 12. Okay guys, once you remove the panel, next thing you're going to do is remove the fuse box cover, and then you're going to remove that screw that's right there. So once you remove the screw from the fuse box, here's the fuse box, you're going to splice one of the wires. It's going to be the red-black one. There's 2 of them. From this angle, it's going to be the red-black wire that's to the back. So once you find the red-black wire that needs to be spliced, you're going to then connect that brown wire, put it on the other end of that splicer, and then you're going to clamp it down and clip the splicer together. Once you install the wire, you're going to run it through here somehow, and it's going to end up there. All right, so let's take this piece off and get it installed. So once you remove the plug, you're gonna get the brown wires, which is on the bottom right of that. You're gonna remove it, and then you're gonna marry it to the new wire. Once you connect the brown wire to the new wire, all you have to do is connect the connectors back together, put the sleeve back on, and then you can proceed with installing the new LED bulbs. Once everything's wired up, all you have to do, guys, is turn on the key, and there it is. It works. All right, so let's put the panels back together. Another very important thing you're going to want to do before reinstalling the seat and the panels is to check the brake light function. So there we have it. It's a total pain in the butt, but I got the seat and the panels back on the bike. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna show you some before and after clips of the light on the bike. So here they are. If you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Again, I got these lights on Scooter Swap Shop. I did get them on sale during Black Friday, but I'm pretty sure that the price has gone back to their original price since. But nonetheless, I'll still put the link in the description. Again, I'm not sponsored or was I paid to make a video on by Scooter Swap Shop for any of their products. In fact, Yeah, you see my videos, they suck. They're probably more upset that I mentioned their name in my video, but I would still appreciate it if you guys liked and subscribed this video. All right, thanks so much, guys. Till next time.